Good evening, family. Let's hop right in. So we were talking last night about how ETH was putting in a nice little higher low here, and indeed did. I just sold earlier this evening, and now I just started rebuying. So I believe this is going to start curling up here and push. We're going to have a nice open tomorrow across the board for the stock market. Nice inverse head and shoulders here. Just good looks across the board. I truly think this just looks nice. This looks nice. There's no reason for this not to go. We're also, hitting these moving averages here. It just looks good. Originally I thought it was going to come down a little further, but I don't think so. I don't think so. We'll see. We might, we might get a little dicey. Say we just dick around and and that's the play. I don't know. I don't know if we have enough time for that. We're running out of time, guys. August is almost over. That's just one time frame, but it's just we're running out of time. This thing needs to get going. We got the inverse. I think now it's time for this puppy to roll up. Let's look at the 4 hour here. Alright, so kind of the same looks here, just, completing that inverse head and shoulders. This is really good. We should push. This should be it. We're right there locally where we were over here. It's time. It's time for this thing to go. Let's look at the daily too. So yeah, daily looks good. Again, originally I thought we were going to come down here and, do a little similar to this shindig, but I really don't think we're doing that. I think this is it. I think we found support right here. And it's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go home, which is the moon. The moon is the home for Ethereum. So let's send her home. Yeah, I'm excited, guys. Let's see what happens here. I'm fully ported. So let's look at SBET. Alright, so SBET on the daily again. Just good looks here. Nice recovery from the day prior. Again, I was talking how bullish this looks. Got 3 inside days. Man, this just looks primed to rip here. Look at that, curling up, riding these moving averages here. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly, same look, guys. Just looks really good. Just looks good. Everything's just so symmetrical. If you're an art buff like myself, you just love the symmetry. I just love these inverse head and shoulders, and there's they're head and shoulder people, man. I don't get it. But all these Ethereum treasuries, they all love this head and shoulder play. So I think this is ready to rip too. I think they're both ready to go. Ethereum, of course, SBET will rip if Ethereum rips, but you see this too. Look at this. Look at this cross here. After hours, we boosted and retested the top of this. Look at last time this happened. Look at last time this happened. What happened? Right? Look what's happening over here. Same effing thing. Everything's lining up. Alright, so I am an SBET Bull here. It looks good, looks very healthy. Let's look at the last time that those lines crossed, right? Right? Right, are we looking at the same lines here? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So, just get your bras ready because it might get explosive. And then you just look at this, just overall and just in general. If we just kind of just look at this, like, and just this gay ass thing, we got a huge, just tightening, little tight ass. It's ready to go, guys. So I am long here. Let's take a look at BMNR. This should run too. Not as hard as SBET, I don't think. Yeah, maybe it does. I don't know. Wall Street loves this one. Tom Lee is just adorable. So everybody loves Tom Lee. I love him. I truly do. The guy just, I don't know. He can think big. He can think beyond what his ego is telling him not to believe in. He can think of the impossible, and so maybe he's onto something. But look at this. It looks good. It looks good. Very just basing out here. Let's look at the daily. So same look. Look at that. Finding support right in time. And yeah, we might just start pushing. Good looks here. Look at this. It's like a little mini one of these, right? Whoop. So they all might be ready to hockey stick up, man. Whoop, whoop. Or Nike. Let's take a look at the big dogs, right? A little SPX action. Again, NVIDIA earnings are coming out tomorrow night after the bell. So I think, and everybody's just on the edge of their seat, right? Everybody doesn't really know what's coming, but it looks like everybody's kind of prepared or bullishly prepared for a healthy NVIDIA earnings. But we have some drama, right? We got Trump firing Lisa Cook, or the possibility of. We got the economic data coming in. Consumer confidence dipped slightly. The consumer retail is not looking great. Kohl's and such not reporting great numbers. So consumers weak, AI strong. We got this bull market in crypto-ish. Finance looks good. Maybe finance marrying crypto is what turns finance into tech. But let's get a few earnings out. Eli Lilly, was up decently after. Trump Media also making some gains. GoPro, Open Door really just getting tanked. That was been the darling lately, right? Let's look at Open Door. Yeah, so today was kind of looks like a liquidity grab here. Yeah, Open Door might, I don't know. I don't want to say it's done, but that was brutal up there. So yeah, they really got washed out. Yeah, oof, look at that. Ugh, that is disgusting. But it's an inside day. I don't know. Maybe it goes. It looks strong. Looks like it's getting pushed down. We'll see on that one, but interesting. Healthcare too, kind of giving back. We got United Health. Really the talk of the town, right? Oh man, I'm just typing it out, dude. Fuck. Yeah, kind of gave some back. I heard there's another investigation on United right now, so we'll see. We got Buffett in there, so you would assume they're good to go. I don't know. This looks a little weak. Maybe we drip lower. Maybe Buffett wasn't aware here. Who knows? But I'm staying away from fucking healthcare, man. Dude, they're all corrupt, man. And they're getting snuffed out by RJ Jr. and Trump. They're having a heyday. So why the hell would you be buying healthcare? They're trying to ream it so it's not profitable. And healthcare shouldn't be a profitable engine. It should be maybe to a point, so it's quality services. I don't know. There's nuance there. But that's about it, guys. Just get ready for NVIDIA earnings. I think ETH is strong, and I don't know. I think ETH pushes into the rest of the week. There's no reason why it shouldn't. Look at the dailies here. It just looks so good, guys. So good. Take a quick peek at Bitcoin, and that should be it. And Bitcoin's just probably going to float around and fart around for a bit. Or, it might rocket. We might just get a similar look like we got here, right? It's pretty obvious. Boop, 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 boop. Take out all the lows. Sweep, sweep. I don't know, though. I don't know if it happens again. But I know we hit an important level here. I know there's a lot of interest. I know Sailor won't let this thing fall. So we might be surprised. But if anything, the worst case, probably it just dicks around down here and, retest and while ETH has its day. That's kind of my opinion there. All right, that's it.